Oh my goodness, you guys. So June releases for Spellbinders are bountiful and super cute this month. It's the birthday month celebration, big celebration stuff going on. So the items I have here are from the birthday celebration collection, and there are quite a few items within that collection. And then there's, you know, just new embossing folders and the universal cutting plates and a new line from Becca and Becca Feekin, if you're not familiar with the APG designer. And so just lots of fun things. These items were sent free of charge from my review, and of course all opinions are my own. And any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. As you know, I get samples, so they're usually not packaged, and they look something like this. And I put them on a little board just so we can go through them. There are lots of things going on with the birthday celebration collection. I also have the slider card, but I'm gonna keep that for a separate video because that has some different pieces to it. And in this one, I'm gonna focus more on like the little embellishment parts of it. Having said that, there is an embellishment set, like this bundle here. And there's also a bundle that's like almost the whole collection, so I'll link all those things in the description box. But we'll go through the items that I have here to show you. And like I said, these are like little embellishment items. Actually, these two here pair up really well together to make a card. And then we have like the little streamer kind of thing. So this one's called Mini Bow, just real quick. It's, as you can see, a bow that makes a little mini bow. So what happens with these bows, you cut this, you fold over or behind the this little portion, and these little tabs glue in the center, and then you place that on top, and then this little guy helps you wrap it around so it looks nice. So the bow itself, it looks like it'll be like a 1/2 inch bow, you know, the little loops, but the whole bow is about, I would say, 1 3/4 inches, right? There. So that's the mini bow. And then of course the little balloon animal, which is super adorable. And let me see here. He is, I would say, just almost 3 inches, you know, from nose to tail there, and about 2 3/4 or 2.5 high. And then it has these little pieces that go along with it to make it look a little more 3D. This is the party decor, this one here. And so with this one, cuts a ton of strings for you, and then it does little circles and another set of circles that's a little bit smaller, so you can kind of, you know, do a large circle, a couple small ones, maybe a large one, do your own pattern however you like with those guys. The little pennants, and then like the little, I guess these are pennants, huh? And then banners type things. Super cute. Just a little detail, you know, to use it however you like, wherever you want to place those. We have the color block balloon. So this one down here is the color block balloon. Of course, it has strings, and it has all these different pieces. So lots of different, you can stamp and cut, you know, you can cut these guys, and then each one of these little sections pops out, like it'll be cut. It's not just an indentation. So we have a background die, we have this smaller circle, we have this circle and this one too, and all these guys cut their own pieces. So when you run this through, you're gonna have 1 2 3 4 5 pieces that you can then cut through different colors of paper and have a beautiful color block kind of balloon. And the little ends, of course, to your balloon to make them look more realistic. And this little guy, I'm assuming is more, what's the word, like detail, right? These pieces here. Like the little shimmery parts of your balloon. And then here we have the surprise box, which I just think is so cute. It makes a cardboard box, guys, or whatever color box you want. But you have these pieces, the piece to make it look a little more pop-up, and then some accent pieces here. So really fun die sets there for the birthday collection. This stamp set, I believe, is called Birthday Unboxing, because I remember thinking I'm doing an unboxing, don't forget the name of it. So I think it's Birthday Unboxing. Again, photopolymer stamps. You know, hope your day is filled with all kinds of happy birthday, nice size sentiments. Oops, I missed your birthday, which comes in handy. Parts that you can use on the box there. So this side up, you know, handle with care, best gift ever. And then it has like the little warnings or those kind of indications on the boxes. Super cute. Hello, it's not a pony with love. Lots of cute things there. This one's called It's Party Time. And there's another one that goes with the slider card, but I'll show you guys that when I do the slider card video. So, excuse me. So I do have that one to use for that video, okay? This one is Party Time. Let's celebrate you. I hope your day is filled with surprises. Really nice, bold sentiments on this one. Just a note to lift you up. Oh, that's so cute with the balloons. Love it. I'll get to this in just a moment. So this is the stencil, and this is packaged, as you can see, so is the bundle there. On the dots, love it. I mean, just adorable, of course, make a nice background. That's kind of what I want to show you today, is all the different, like, little fun embellishment pieces that you can put together something nice. And then of course we'll make a quick little something since the video's kind of talking about these other items, going through everything. Excuse me, yeah, so it's a 6-inch stencil, and there it is. Oh, look at this. So cute. And then these guys, so I believe this one's called Hand Drawn Scallop. It is the 5.5 by 8.5 inch. I think I finally remember the sizing on those. I always measure them. Embossing folder. And again, this one's called Hand Drawn Scallop, so it's a really just fun, eclectic little design. Again, this fits 5 by 7, slim lines, A2, A4. I mean, whatever you can fit, 5.5 by 8.5 fits in here, so it's really nice for lots of projects. And then this one has to do with dots. I know that one's called On the Dots. I don't quite remember the name of this one right now, but it is super cute. And look at the way they look. When I see this, I think like party, like fun. I think like if you had a little monster design or something like that. Super cute, right? Or even little fish like under the sea. I mean, really, really adorable. Different ways to play that one up. So let's open this bundle. Ooh, I was like, oh, let's get started. But you know what? Look at this. So they do have these things all available separately, but this is the Craft Your Birthday Celebrations Embellishment Bundle. And like I said, they also have the larger bundle of pretty much everything. So this one comes with the Bisque Opalescent Color Essential Sequins, a new item to Spellbinders. They are sequins without the little hole, and I pop them here and there in videos on, you know, on cards, not on videos, but the videos on my cards and projects. Super cute. There are 3 sizes in here. This one's a little bit larger, and then like a medium size, and then like a smaller one. Hopefully you can kind of see that there. These are the Birthday Celebrations die cuts, 104 pieces, very reminiscent of the kind of thing that are in like the card kits. Get the party started. It has little tags. Oh, I thought maybe they might have pictures on the back, so let me open this up. We can take a quick peek at some of these guys. And there's usually 2 of each. Yeah, you can see there. Like there's 2 of that one, 2 of that one. Oh, Happy Day. I mean, some really nice ephemera, like nice large pieces. So then you can just pop that on there with some pretty paper, which we will get to. A couple little die cut pieces. You're good to go. Let's see here. Oh, let's celebrate you. And that can be anything really, right? Yeah, they're single-sided. You are all kinds of wonderful. May your day be filled with cake, candles, and confetti in the cutest colorway ever. We have the puffy rainbow stickers, and then they have foiling. Hopefully you can see that. Sorry about the lighting. Sometimes it's too bright and sometimes it's washed out. Well, I guess that's the same thing, isn't it? Too dark. Look at that. So cute. These are a good size. And then here we have the Birthday Celebration sticker pack, 4 sheets, 138 stickers. So let's check these out. I want to see if it's the same. Okay, they are different. So let me bring them out so we can take a look. Oh, I love it. I love that they're like the matte, you know, finish. We have Happy Birthday, so it feels like paper. Keep shining. Wishing you a happy birthday. I hope your day sparkles. Look at Hip Hip Hooray. All the little borders, love that. All these little sentiments are just good to go. Right? You guys know I love a good sentiment that you just pop on when you're done and you're good to go. These gold numbers, great for birthdays. And then here, just a lot of cute, eclectic little stickers. That little cat in a cup or in his little muggy. So cute. Some of those are like postage looking. Gold glitter foam block alphabet stickers. So these are a good size. I'll measure these. And then there's numbers and punctuation with this one. And they are, I would say, 1 inch. Yeah, they're 1 inch if they're a little bit over 1 inch, but I would say they're 1 inch high. And then the paper pack, it is Cheerful Occasions paper pad. And let's check this one out right quick. And again, it's 2 sheets of each, so we have that geometric pattern. Really cute little flowers. The little kind of like sprinkles that are standing at attention pattern. Even has foil on there. We have a little kind of more eclectic kind of fun pattern here with the yellow and the white design. The little foil rainbows and the white stripe. Well, white and black stripe. I believe this came out with a card kit not too long ago. It's really, really pretty. I love like this stripe one. So easy. Like I said, you know, just real quick. You have that. Bring out one of these little guys, a little something here and there, and you have a nice little card. I love the look of that clean stripe, you know? So cute. And the little flowers, looking a little watercolory. Oh, look at this one. That's pretty cool. It's a very interesting pattern. It just has the stripes in the center, but then it has like that square look on the sides. And then the little pattern. I have a shirt from, I think, Lucky Brand that is like exactly this pattern. It's so pretty. And it has like beading on it too. So anyway, we have the little cameras. Oh, that is so cute. And then little pink and white dot. Little pattern there made with the triangles or squares or however you want to see it, but you know, they're like triangles. Really, really cute. So that is a bundle. Again, there are, excuse me, I'm like tripping over my own words. So they can all be picked up separately, but that's the bundle also. So what I'm going to do is grab a card base and, you know, we'll put a little something together. Okay guys, so just to start off, I have an A2 size card. Again, that's 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And I think I'm going to orient it this way. And I'm going to take my scalloped embossing folder, and with Spellbinders, where the words are, it's basically what's going to be raised up. So, you know, if your paper has a certain way to look at it, you definitely want to face it up towards you, towards those words there, and then you can kind of look in here and see where exactly where you're going to be scalloping. So I just want to make sure I have it somewhere I think that's good right there. Maybe a little bit more this way. I'm going to run this through, and then in the meantime, I'm also going to cut a little strip of paper, maybe from this guy, just to bring some dots and something fun that's going to go across that. So this paper is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, so I'll probably cut this about 5 3/8 by maybe 1.5 inches, just a little strip of paper, okay? And I'll be right back. So I have my little scallop piece there, super cute, and that's going to be the base of my card. So I'm just going to glue that down. And then I have this little strip, and you know, from the other piece that was there, I went ahead and just cut it all at 5 3/8, so it's the same, and then I cut this to 1.5 inches just to put a little something down the center. But this now fits in here, so I'm going to put that on the inside of the card. Okay, so for now I'm just going to glue these pieces down, and then glue the inside down, and I'll be right back. That all adhered, and then the inside of my little card. And so I have chosen some of the die cut pieces. I think I'm going to have like this little, oh, I'm so sorry. There we go. Sometimes when you get close you can see better. So birthday wishes, and then I have the actual happy birthday sentiment. But what I'm going to do is cut the little balloon animal, of course. And so, let's see. Should we make him like a color that's just completely outstanding? I'm thinking yellow. So I want to grab this. You know what? I'm going to use this yellow. It's just something from my stash here. I'm going to run this one through. And this guy, he does have embossed areas, so you definitely want to use your embossing mat if you need to with your cutting system. And then the accessory pieces, I'm going to cut from this yellow glitter. So I'm not sure that I'm going to run that through for embossing, but I might. It's just because it's glitter, it takes it a little bit differently. But I'll be right back. Here we have our little guy. And I did run it back through with the embossing mat, so it has a real look there. And then the yellow glitter I also did too. I'm not sure if it shows up just because of the glitter paper, but I went ahead and did it. So let me take this off. Let me pop out my pieces, and I'm going to grab also some dimensional adhesives, and I'll be right back. We have our little guy, and he looks great just like that if you want to do that. Of course, we have some other pieces, and honestly, if I wanted to, I can just stick the dimensionals on the actual piece and then bring it the rest in. And you can even put these on flat too, especially since it's glitter, so it already has a different look anyway. You can just glue it down flat. But for now, I am going to pop them up. I was thinking about just popping up the face and like this leg that's out here, but that's okay. We can give it some good dimension. So sorry, excuse me. So I'm just going to take the pieces and pop them on just like I was doing right now. Little ear, and then these two legs. This guy goes here, and this one goes here, and this guy goes right there. I'll be right back. Guys, look how cute he is with this little glitter. So cute. So if we have this little guy back here, we have our little balloon character. I can put my little happy birthday here or wherever it is that you want to put it. And we'll do a little sequencing possibly. So we have all that. So let me just stick this down. And then we have our little guy. So cute. And I'll probably put the happy birthday also on dimensional. So let me do that. I'm just going to stick it right down there. And I'll be right back. So we have our sequins, and I'm just going to do what I normally do. It looks like maybe I can put something down here, and I usually put them in the corners, put them wherever you like. Of course, it's whatever you want to do, and I always put things in like groups of 3, so I'll just do something kind of like that, and just whatever, you know. I have the larger one, the mid-size one, the little guy, and I'll do the same thing up here, and I'll be right back. That's my sweet card, and I also chose one of the cards to go inside. I know a lot of times I hear people say, oh, I have such a bad handwriting, and I am one of those people. So it'd be nice to just have a sentiment to go on the inside already, and then you can just sign it, you know. Yeah, so you can just put, you know, dear so-and-so, and then sign it, and you're good to go. And I can't think of anyone better or more beautiful to celebrate. Really sweet. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. A lot of unboxing today, and just keep an eye out for the next videos where I use all these different fun things, and I'll have the links in the description box. Thank you so much, Spellbinders, for sending these items for review. Really fun, festive stuff. Very sweet. And I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.